Hello everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. I had to take a break yesterday. I was so exhausted. I've just been like go nonstop with my vlogs and editing and work and just so many things happening. So I hope you guys understand. I just need like one rest day, but I am back. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of shopping. I need to find my friends' Christmas presents. I have been drawing a blank. I've gotten a few of their gifts already online, but I need that like juice factor for their gifts. Like I've gotten the little things and the side things, but I need that wow effect, you know? I'm wearing my new necklace and I added this like little Swarovski butterfly necklace that went viral on TikTok because Galinda wore it in Wicked, and it is so cute. It's like 3 white butterflies and it comes in different colors. I actually gifted Remi the same one because she is my real life Galinda. You guys, I went off and I reorganized my shelves and I threw away a lot of random things I had, and I still need to decorate my shelves properly, but this is what they're looking like in case you guys care. So first, I moved this Sunny Angel plushie down. I put the Hermes teacup there for now. I was just like thinking very Alice in Wonderland theme. Right. And then over here, I put some crystals, a little selenite blade, one of my paintings from Josie, and some crystal spears, a little marble container. I have this like random blue vase, so I just put like some blue stones and some random stuff here. And then I put my books down there that I need to read. And then over here, it's quite empty, but I think I'm gonna just add some clear crystals here. I feel like that'll look nice. Also, I really like the Monchichi there. I have some more white crystals. I'm not sure how I want to organize that. And down here, I have a lot of browns, so I'm not sure what exactly, but I do like the wood kind of stacked on top of the book. It looks very cool to me. Alright you guys, so I decided to go to Dover Street Market, which is this really cool streetwear high-end store in downtown. They have a really huge one in New York City and it is so beautiful, but honestly the downtown LA one is pretty nice as well. I am looking for Cal, I'm looking for Remi, and potentially Alisha, but I do like what I got her online, so we'll see. You guys, this ring is so cute. I really like these bows. How cute. The chain's pretty unique too. The Marc Jacobs nails. Now that's iconic. This is what I want my shelves to look like at home. How nice is this? This plate is super nice too. I think I want this for my shelf. But again, I'm not here to buy anything for myself. This little area has a lot of cool Supreme t-shirts. I feel like Cal would be into this. Or even like these hats are really nice, and these bags. I feel like pink would look good on Cal. You guys, this is Bag Charm Central. Look at all these bag charms. I need all of them, I fear. This is such a cool display. This section is so Alisha coded. Look at this cute little mini bag charm. What if I got these shoes for Remi without any context? I want to sit on the top chair. They have the cute cat beanie. I do like this. I like the drawings in the back. This is also pretty cool. Okay, perfect. I'll get this for Remi since she is obviously a cat lover. These are the aliens in New Jersey. They're actually in LA now. Weirdly enough, a lot of the stuff that I liked was out of stock, but on their website, so I might be able to order it in time. So we'll see. I did get a lot of good inspo in that store. I was kind of scared to vlog in there, so I just vlogged on my iPhone. I just walked by this little area. This looks very Vlogmas coded. I don't know if I should go in or not because I'm kind of scared, but let's do it for the plot. Like 90% of the things I do is for the plot, so. Hello you guys. I know you guys love blind boxes just as much as me. So recently I was invited to an event by Mart. It was such a cool experience meeting all of the designers that were behind some of the toys. They gave me this large bag of goodies And I have not unboxed them because I was saving them for you guys. And I also have some Sunny Angels as well that I need to unbox. Like this amazing keychain limited edition I got and this Gifts of Love series. But we'll do them at the end. Let's get to the stuff from Pop Mart. Okay, I think I'm just gonna grab random ones. That's how it'll work. Ooh, this one. Okay, so I want to start collecting these soon. These are called Hirono. And does this not look like me? This is literally my twin. And I guess this is the Reshape series. Let's get to it, y'all. All right, box number one. Gonna have a lot of trash after this. A whole bag of stuff. Oh, the packaging is so cute. And I'm thinking I could even put some of these on my shelf that I just redid. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's like he's like a little plushie and he has stitching coming out. That's so cute. Okay, I do like him. Let's see. It comes with a card. It says healing. That is so sweet. And all you guys know I'm in my healing era, so that's perfect. What else does it come with? Oh, you can see on the side which ones you can get. Okay. It comes with a little suitcase and the little card. Next box is We Are All Kids. Let's see which one I want. Honestly, they're all kind of cool. So I wouldn't even be mad at which one I got for this one as well. So let's listen. I love blind boxes. Comment down below if you love blind boxes. Let me know. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, it was the one I wanted, but I didn't verbalize it. So I think I should verbalize the ones I want. Look at it, it's like a little angel cat thing. This one is just called On Guard. Next box is a little Peach Riot. So I've seen these and I've always wanted one, so I'm super excited. I kind of like her or the blonde one, but again, any of them will probably be amazing. I should probably do that instead, huh? Next bag. Feet first. Oh my God, wait, hold up. This one is literally dressed like me. I really, really, really like this one. Okay, next box, we have Labubu's, and it seems to be like some type of contraption. I want a secret. One of these boxes has to have a secret. Oh, there's Minia pieces. Oh, okay. What is in this one? It's a little devil Labubu. How cute is that? Okay, let's quickly put it together. Now, who has time for instructions? Not I. It appears to be some type of racetrack moment thing, but I do like it. This just means I need more. Ooh. All right, next box is called The Warmth. It looks kind of like a little fairy. Here are the options. Honestly, they all kind of look similar, so whichever one I get, I'll be happy with. Let's see which little fairy I got. Oh, oh, she took a tumble. Oh, this one's cute. It looks almost like a ceramic. Okay, next box is a Molly. I know this is a very popular character at Pop Mart as well. Okay, let's see. This is my first Molly. Oh, the packaging's really cool. Okay, let's rip her open. Oh, wait, this has to be rare. This looks cool. Wait, is this a rare one? Oh, I think I got a secret. I think, or did I? Oh. False alarm. It does not appear to be a secret, but it's still cute. All right, my next one is called Crying Again. I'm not sure what this is, but all of these look so cute. Bo is really cute, the frog. Okay, let's get into this. Okay. Ooh, I got something soft. Oh my God, what is this? A duck? These are cute. Look, it's a little crying duck and it comes with a pin. How do you wear it like this on your collar? What are these? I would like to know. Okay, my next one is another Crying Again. The frog one, the rainbow one, or the queen one would be really nice, but let's see what I get. Oh my God. Why does this look like me though? Oh! She just denied gravity. Okay, the last thing that was in this box was this beautiful Demu magnet. How cute is that? I'll definitely put this on my fridge. Now for my tried and true Sunny Angels. I would love a sitting one because they are so cute. Gift of Love series. So let's go ahead and pop it. Ooh, that was a messy pop. Let's see which one I got. Doesn't feel like a sitting one, but let's see. Oh my gosh, this one's super cute. It's like a little bunny with a little chocolate. It honestly kind of matches Alisha and her new like butter yellow obsession. I might give it to her. I got the candy series online, and you guys, if you are paying top dollar for Sunny Angel resale, please go on their website because you can just buy them at cost and you will not get ripped off or scammed. Just a little fun fact. I need more bag charms. As you guys saw, I only had like a purple one. I would love a secret. I really like the blue one. I like the pink one. Honestly, they're all pretty good. This box is a little different, so, okay, let's see. Okay, there's 2 bags. One is for the keychains. Okay, this one's the Sunny. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. I actually really like this color. The blue one is actually quite nice. Let's put her together so you guys can see what it looks like all done. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Actually, I really like the blue one. I think Remi wanted the blue one. Remi, if you're watching this and you want this one, it can be all yours for a small cost of you giving me Momo. Wow, I actually really like this color. What do you guys think? I'm like, hold on. I'm like, let me get my bag and see what it looks like. What is it giving? Oh, that looks kind of nice. We'll see. Unboxing blind boxes give me a huge serotonin boost. I hope you guys have the same effect. I love watching people unbox their own blind boxes. It's just so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.